Hi everyone, my name's Kathy. Welcome to Skint Living UK. I'm making a tuna pasta bake in this big oven-proof dish. I've just thrown in the vegetables that I had in the fridge. So I had half an orange pepper, half a yellow pepper and a full red pepper, a whole courgette and a small onion. I've just sprinkled over some olive oil, some black pepper and some garlic, and I've just been fighting with a tin of tuna to get some tuna in there as well. I tried to open this tin and it didn't work. I opened up another tin. As you can see, it's been a bit of a moment. Tuna gate, as I've called it. The label come off in my hands, the can opener wasn't working. I ended up virtually hacksawing it to get it out. There's probably some still in there, but I've given up. So yeah, tuna gate. So after I've put the olive oil, garlic and pepper on, I'm going to put some cooked pasta in. This is just cheapy penny pasta from Aldi, nothing fancy, nothing special. I'm going to mix it all up together, and then I'm going to put this pasta sauce over it. It's 69p at the moment in Aldi, and then I've used the last of my cheese. I've grated it up and then I'm going to sprinkle it on top. I cook for about 30 to 40 minutes on gas 7, around 180, 200 degrees, depending if your oven's got a fan or not. But it is really lovely and tasty. I recommend you don't need any more extra salt, black pepper yet, but because the tuna's salty, you don't really need it. But if you can easily leave the tuna out as well, which I nearly did because I was just so frustrated. Oh, look at the taste that it's got a mouth. But here you go. So I'm just gonna mix this up a bit more and then put the sauce over, cheese over, and then we're done. So as you can see, it's lovely and creamy and yummy. Yum, yum, yum. I might put a bit more black pepper on top of the cheese once I've got the cheese on top. So there you go. Cheapy pasta bake, just using basically whatever veggies you got left over, and I had a tin of tuna in the cupboard, so I thought I'd throw that in as well. Thanks so much for watching, and if you could be so kind, could you please like, share and subscribe, and bye for now.